Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how always restore previous session Duckduckgo application in computer. So how always restore previous session Duckduckgo application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Duckduckgo application on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of the Duckduckgo application. How to always restore previous session. Just point the cursor to the top corner of the screen. Here, tap 3 dots. And a scrolling menu will appear. And select the Settings menu. Here we are already in the Settings menu and there are several menu options that can be used. Tap the Tap menu, General menu. Now in this General menu, there is a home page in the section on Startup. And in the Restore Windows and Tabs Previous Session section, check to activate it. So that's it, the tutorial how always restore previous session Duckduckgo application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.